I like people who are not perfect. So I'm guessing. No, he's not. And that's why I like it.
People have always had an issue with me behaving not like a girl. So it's more about, oh, ladki hoke ye kar rahi hai.
Number three, I think that's the biggest factor, that she's a very big agony aunt. You can go to her, you can vent out to her, you can tell her your problems, she won't judge you.
What is the importance of mutual respect in a relationship, especially like a man-woman relationship?
That's the most important thing. It doesn't go beyond that. Love is not all it takes. There's a reason they say that. Love बहुत secondary है. Infatuation होती है, आप किसी को देखते हो, लेकिन जैसे ही वो अपना मुंह खोलता है and he's disrespectful towards you and somebody else, feelings go out the window. Respect is the most important thing, followed by trust, and I think then followed by love.
So, Pulkit Samrat, 3 qualities that make Kriti Kharbanda a perfect marriage material.
3 quality. अच्छा,
Question बहुत गलत हो गया.
No, it's a hypothetical question. It's
that would make her or that already make her?
I don't know the exact. I wouldn't know that.
One, I think she's very organized. She knows how to organize things. 2, she is very pleasant to be around with. So, you can spend hours and hours. Number 3, I think that's the biggest factor, that she's a very big agony aunt. You can go to her, you can vent out to her, you can tell her your problems. She won't judge you, but she'll listen everything. Then she'll go to the right or the wrong. But she's, I think these 3 qualities. खाना वाना पकाना नहीं आता इसको.
तो क्या डिले किया शादी कर ले?
Yeah, I think he's right.
Interview में है हम. Interview में ये
No,
delay है.
it's okay. Picture promote.
सर मैं तो बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा बता. कुछ हो तो बोलना मैं.
नहीं खाना तो आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो ना, बाहर से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो खाना के.
Yeah, actually, I cook damn well. It's just that he's a better cook than me. That's the problem.
दोनों बना सकते हैं ना, फिर तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं अच्छा बनाती है.
I really don't know how he does it, but it is so lovely. I have seen both of us grow through this quarantine. We've caught up on a lot of television, a lot of series that we missed out. We've been cooking, we've been working on ourselves. I think we've been working on how to make ourselves better humans. Suddenly the reality of life has really stricken us, and we're both extremely emotional people. Extremely emotional. So I think that's the only flaw that both of us have, that we're both extremely emotional. So it becomes very hard. कि अगर एक बंदा emotional है तो दूसरा control कर ले, ये नहीं होता. दोनों बहुत emotional है. But having said that, I've learned a lot about him this quarantine, and I can tell that not just saying this because he's my boyfriend, but I have immense respect for him, and it comes from my heart and from my mind. And I have never met a more caring and giving person. And this is an opinion that can never change, because how long can you, you can't pretend and be these things. I've seen this about him over the years, even when I worked with him, even when we were just friends, even after we started dating. He's a lovely human being, and he is really, really caring about the people around him. Like, he's the kind of person who will be like, हाँ ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा suffer कर लूँगा, but सामने वाले को दिक्कत ना हो. So I really like that about him, and that's something that I admire about him a lot.
One thing that many girls do in their weddings that you find weird or funny?
I mean, to each their own hota hai yaar. This is very mean. I can't answer this question. Okay, I just don't understand this whole thing of pre-wedding photos. Like, they're very obsessed with it, and I find it very weird. I just find it very weird.
A common question asked by your relatives that you always try to avoid?
I think people have always had an issue with me behaving not like a girl. So it's more about, oh, ladki hoke ye kar rahi hai. I've experienced that for a major part of my life. I've just discarded those people from my life now.
If Pulkit loses his sanity and actually becomes a pagal and doesn't remember you, how will you make him recognize you?
That's his normal. Tell me something new.
He doesn't recognize you?
No, the pagalpanti is normal. Recognize me, मैं कुछ भी हो जाए, आंखें बंद होंगी तो भी मुझे पहचानेगा. There's no chance. There's no option. I don't leave that.
आपको पता है, आपको लग रहा है कि ऐसा है, मुझे आर पार दिख रहा है, मुझे यही दिख रही है.
बहुत strong bond है. बहुत strong bond है.
Take care, bro.
Pulkit Samrat, if you had to ask a question to Pulkit, if you were a journalist.
Looks like Kriti Kharbanda has been an amazing influence on your life. What would you like to say about her? Please say only good things.
What do you think boys notice the most about you?
Eyes.
So, Kriti Kalpana, what is the worst thing about live-in relationship?
You have to share your food at all times. Jim. You have to share your food at all times. That is the worst thing
You have
about
to
a
share
living
the-
relationship.
All right. Okay. What is that one thing you have discovered about Pulkit, the person, during the lockdown?
He's obsessed with his elbows. Face cream कम और अपने elbows पे cream ज़्यादा लगाता है.
This is
I'm not
interesting.
kidding. He is obsessed with his elbows. He's like, मेरी कोनियाँ अच्छी लग रही है ना? I just don't get it.
This is unique. This is unique.
First celebrity crush.
Madhavan.
What is the most rebellious thing you did as a teenager?
I beat up a boy.
Why?
He asked for it.
But there's no rebellious.
No, it was quite rebellious. He fell in love with me after that. He actually dared me to beat him up. So I beat him up and then la 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 happened.
He fell in love with you.
Yeah, he actually fell in love with me after I slapped him.
That's interesting.
Good scene.
See, what is something you love that everyone else don't?
I like flaws. I think I like people who are not perfect. So I'm guessing. No, he's not. And that's why I like it. Not at all perfect. But I love flaws. I think that's how your qualities stand out.
What's the weirdest thing you have done to make money?
Weirdest thing I've done? I distributed pamphlets in college. I made 2,000 rupees from that. I was outside a nightclub in the day. Hamara school ka reunion type chal raha tha and I was a junior. Right. I had to make money, so I used to distribute pamphlets for a very long time.
Whenever you feel down in life, what do you do to motivate yourself?
I look in the mirror and smile.
If you could read someone's mind from our industry, who would that person be and why?
Pulkit Samrat. I have
Why?
my reasons. I have my reasons. I want to know. क्या चल रहा है भाई दिमाग में all the time? I want to know.
Okay, she's blushing. If right now the entire India were to listen to you for 30 seconds, what would you say?
Be good to yourself. Learn to stay happy. People are very vela at times and they have nothing else to do. For the lack of better words, they just, I think लोगों को नीचा दिखा के उनको खुद से पता नहीं क्या ही खुशी मिलती है. उनको लगता है कि उनकी लाइफ बेहतर है. But don't let the opinion of others bother you and change who you are. I think it's very, very important to maintain that consistency because that is the most important relationship you'll ever have. Your relationship with yourself, and everything else will automatically fall into place because you will never settle for less.